Ready to move your team from paper checks to direct deposit? Setting it up in ADP Run is simple and gets everyone paid faster. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. First, you need to be enrolled in ADP's direct deposit service. Once that's complete, go to the Workers tab and select an employee. Under their Pay or Payment Method section, you can add direct deposit. You'll enter their bank's routing number and their account number, and specify whether it's for checking or savings. The employee can also split their net pay between multiple accounts if needed. My crucial pro tip: require a voided check or bank letter. For security and accuracy, always get a physical document from the employee confirming their account details. A single mistyped digit can cause a failed deposit and a lot of manual correction work. A smooth direct deposit setup is a win for your team and your admin workload. Are your employees all on direct deposit, or do you still issue some checks? Tell me below. For more tips that streamline payment, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.